What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mold, shape or reshape or fix your bent polyurethane, whatever, spoiler, lip, or any sort of car body part. If you guys saw my previous video, I actually showed you guys how I installed this. You guys can check that video out if you have a 2010 Camaro SS. And typically what ends up happening with this situation is that when you order the part, or a lip for example, when it ships, it sometimes isn't taken care of. It usually doesn't have the fragile handle with care sign all over the shipping, depending on the company obviously. And you'll see sometimes where the package will be either facing the wrong way and weight gets put on top of it, and over time it'll start bending and forming this inconsistencies. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I mean. As you guys can see there, that's not normal at all. You see how there's like a little like bump that comes out there? Yeah, that's not normal at all. And this side has it, but it's not nearly as defined as the other one. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a pretty cost-effective way of fixing that without having to actually send it back or complain to the person or business that sold you that lip. I mean, obviously if it still does not work, then you are entitled to, I guess, depending on the refund policies, you may be able to get a new lip. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So it's pretty simple. You'll be needing a I guess like a mitten, right? I think that's what they are, a kitchen mitt, right, to handle a lot of heat. And that heat will be actually made or produced from this hair dryer. Now you can use a paint remover or some other tool that actually produces a lot more heat. I don't have that available to me. A hair dryer should work. I think you're gonna have to stay there a little bit longer just because it probably won't produce as much heat. So you might need a little bit more time and a little bit more patience with a hair dryer. But again, this is something that is pretty cost effective, and I think everybody should have a hair dryer in their household. Before I begin, I'm gonna have a sip of my water. Let's proceed. And just a little heads up, this is obviously attached to the car. I'm not sure if it's better to have it before you install it or after. I'm assuming that once you install it, with the fact that you tighten it in certain parts, it may come out, like I think happened with this specific situation. So what you're going to want to do is figure that out. So what you're going to want to do is simply blow hot air for a couple minutes on the area that you would like to operate. So right around here, right, this little bumpy area, and I'm going to press down on it, or actually grab it, so it starts to go into place like this. And then I'm going to blow on it for a couple minutes, and then afterwards I'm going to simply leave my fingers, my hand there holding the lip. That way it cools off into that position. So there you guys can see it's wobbling a little bit. That means that the heat has worked. So we're gonna go ahead and leave it there for a couple moments. Doesn't seem like it's that hot, so actually I can hold it in place with my fingers. Before it was popping out, now it's not. All right guys, so after a couple minutes of caressing and pressing and basically massaging it, you'll see there that it's significantly better, right? You see the line, it's pretty consistent, it's straight. And well, let's go ahead and move on to the other side, which you guys can visibly see that it is a lot more deformed. Sometimes it may be a little stubborn, so you might have to give it another pass, like so. All right guys, so a couple minutes pass and check it out. It's a lot better than before. It's not gonna be 100% perfect. There's gonna be a little little bumps here and there, but it's definitely improved from before. So let's go ahead and visit the other side. Same thing, not much of a bulge in the center here. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is a very simple, cost-effective way of molding or fixing your polyurethane lip or body part that has been dented due to shipping or just, you know, any other situation that might occur. I hope you guys found this video informative and somewhat entertaining. This definitely was a pretty masculine workout for me. But anyways, guys, go ahead and leave a like if you guys found this video informative and entertaining. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys find my content enjoyable. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, my how-tos, my vlogs, my races, my reviews, etc., etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.